Oh shit, it's moving, it's moving. Go, go, go. Come around to the back. Crap, 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 crap. Alex, are you good or no? We're fucked again! Why does this happen every fucking time?
No, I didn't get in.
I'm in. Go, 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 go! Give her! Are we stuck?
No, we're not. No, here we go.
Oh my god, I was gonna say if we're stuck, I'm bailing right now.
I'm sending her. Oh shit.
Send her! Why is it white? The whole screen just went white. Oh, we're good. I think we get out.
I don't know. I want to get to the other side.
Oh, well, whatever. Are you gonna let me back in then or no?
I don't know if I can actually make it. It's all trapped.
We can just walk it.
Everybody out. Put armor on if we need it. There's gonna be people above us now. Watch out.
But they're gonna be out of the circle, so.
Yeah, but they're gonna try to kill us and we're gonna die.
I think that whole top part's already out of the circle. That was fucking insane.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I don't know how we got out of that.
I had a gas mask. That's why I was able to survive so much.
I don't mean to say anything, guys, but we're in the final 7.
Okay. There's a ladder here. Guys, there's a ladder.
Right,
Why are you
moving
going down when you can go
Oh,
up?
sorry. We're already all down here.
Oh, God.
Wait, we might not be able to get back up there.
Yeah, we can this way.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, fuck. I'm getting sniped from the top of the dam.
Damn.
Wow, so when you get up, go left and run in right away.
Oh crap! I'm getting sniped too. Fuck.
Right, moving up.
Fuck. Yeah, they shot me a lot. Yeah, does anybody have a rocket launcher? Like, put a
Losing ground.
shit.
They're gonna be out of the circle soon. Just let them die.
What?
Just let them die. Just let them die.
Yeah, there's a guy on top of that roof. I actually downed one of them with the rocket.
Those guys are not the ones we have to worry
He
about.
jumped. He's over top of us already. Oh, yeah, they went to that building. Yeah, to the left.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
moving up.
Yeah,
I
everybody.
did down one of them up there though.
I'm in this building.
I'm going up.
Heading over here.
You're gonna die. He's ready for you. I only see one on the heartbeat.
Nobody's up here, Alex.
I saw him land up there.
Yeah, he's gotta be up.
He's right below me. He's right below me. There's 2 of them. Fuck. They're out here. They're out here. Fuck. I'm down. Right at that door you guys all just went into. I fucking fell off the goddamn ladder.
Oh, did you?
I fucking fell off the ladder. Because I saw them there and I was trying to go up and I turned my screen too far.
We have a gas mask. Run to the buy station, buy another map, and buy another gas mask.
Where is the buy station? Over there.
Alex, you don't have a gas
Oh, I
mask,
have
do you?
one now. I just gotta go.
There's another one right there, too.
Any
I'll
uniqueness?
pick that up. I tagged it.
Liam, if you're going to buy me back, you got to go quick.
Yeah, go now.
Shit, hold on. Fuck's sakes.
I don't think you're going to be able to, honestly.
No, you can. You can. Just actually run.
You just do one thing and come right back. Don't do anything else.
You have no equipment though.
No, buy another mask.
Buy armor plate thing
I
too.
don't have time now.
No, it's shrinking.
Fighting done. The area is cleared out.
It'll go on by itself.
Oh, really?
As soon as you go on the gas, it'll go on.
It's shrinking. Everybody keep
Oh,
running.
shit. I'm down. I'm down.
I'm floating down slowly,
Oh,
so
dude, just go for
I'm
it.
trapped under him. I'm dead.
there's a guy right there. I can't tag him because he's too far away still. Right there, Alex. There's 2 guys.
I'm in a circle.
Making a move.
I know, so I'm floating down still.
Making a move.
I'm just tagging where they are so you know where they are.
4 enemies remain. You
Guy right there.
Heading this way.
Oh, those 2 are dead. Where the fuck are the rest of them?
Got gas inbound. Safe zone
Guys, there's
relocated.
only one guy left.
Where the fuck is he? I don't even see him.
Just stay up there. Andrew.
Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Making a move. Mark the target.
That's the only guy left. You stay where you are. He's got to come to you. He's closing.
Yeah, the circle's
Don't worry
right
about
here.
him. He's right there. I can see him.
The red mark.
Yes, he's right there. Right there, right there, right there. Oh my fucking god! We fucking won it! Holy shit!
Fuck yeah!
I'm recording that.
Yeah.
Or you could just do that. And then save last hour.
Why would you want an hour?
Mine saved last 30